Thutha wa gucemania na urugamiri wa thibitari wa St Mary's Mumias Mission Hospital kumenya uria muigana wa ciringi milioni 98 thiri wa kuma mweri wa Dithemba ya mwaka muthiru ukurihwo, Minister wa ugima wa mwiri Aden Duale ni ahete a Kenya mwihoko wa motungata ma ugima wa mwiri hatari na magesha.
Ukienda kwa public health facility ile ya dispensary, health center, sub county, outpatient, it is free, but you must register with SHA. Usiende kwa hospitali ya governor useme ati waziri na rais wamesema ni free na hujaregister na SHA.
Hahona ne aikari ya Mumias ikoretwo ri kuhingwo thibitari uyu nduri uguciriirie uteti, no riu Duale arauga uteti uyu ni ukwaga gwa kuhurirwo amu iguru wa ciringi milioni 98 thirikari ni ikurekeria ciringi milioni 14 ingi iguru wacio.
From where we sit has not been closed by SHA, has not been closed by the regulator, Kenya Medical Practitioners and Dentists Council. Their license is valid, has not been closed by the Digital Health Agency that controls the system. So from where we sit, St. Mary Hospital has all the valid licenses.
Kaunti ya Kakamega ni mwe ya iria gomire ni gucererwo kwa marihi maya, no Duale arauga mutambo mweru uria ukuanetie kihiri kia mogaruruku motungata-ini ma SHA gutire ndururu kana dawa cia a Kenya ikurikiriria mihuko-ini ya aturia nime.
We have so far received a level 2 and level 3s. We have received 75 million Kenya shillings, and what is pending is 72 million. For level 4, we have received 119 million. What is pending is 55 million.
We have a very watertight, solid system. And I want to tell the people of Kenya from Kakamega here that we are not playing games. We are ready, willing to answer any question. And that is because of the system that we have built. So it can detect fraud.
Ihinda-inĩ o rĩu mathirĩ marĩa maumanĩte na mũtaratara wa tene wa NHIF ma mũigana wa ciringi bilioni 5.3 nĩ mekũrĩhwo wona mbunge yahĩtũkia bajeti ya nyongerera. Gukire ũguo atongoria a makanitha nĩ moritie ministry ya ũgima wa mwĩrĩ igĩrĩrĩkage tene maũndũ mataneha amu rĩrĩa motungata matharara nĩ mũkenya ũtarĩ na gwa kũrora ũthĩnĩkaga. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mwaura wa Ndung'u.